Welcome to Business Analysis in Different Industries. After watching this video, you will be able to discover the use of business analysis in different industries, identify the top 10 industries that have heavily utilized business analysis, and explain how these industries apply business analysis approaches. Business analysis involves assessing a company's operations, strategies, and market environment to improve decision-making and drive success. Different industries require unique approaches due to varying market conditions, regulatory environments, customer behaviors, and competitive landscapes. Understanding these differences allows analysts to tailor their approaches and deliver insights that drive strategic decision-making and business success. These days, almost every industry depends on business analysis to stay competitive and drive success. The top 10 industries where business analysis plays a crucial role are financial services, technology, pharma and healthcare, education, media and entertainment, manufacturing, transportation, government, insurance, and retail. Let's explore how some of the industries apply business analysis. In the financial services industry, business analysis is critical to driving success and ensuring stability. It focuses on risk assessment, using financial models to evaluate credit, market, and operational risks. This assessment is essential for informed decision-making and loss prevention. Let's consider an example of a financial services company that plans to launch a new loan product. The business analyst assesses credit risk by evaluating borrowers' credit scores and market risk by analyzing interest rate trends. This helps set suitable interest rates and lending criteria to minimize potential losses. Another important focus in the financial service industry is regulatory compliance. The industry is heavily regulated, with frameworks such as Basel III and Dodd-Frank. Ensuring adherence to these regulations is crucial for maintaining financial stability and avoiding legal penalties. Additionally, profitability analysis is a key aspect in this sector. By analyzing revenue streams, cost structures, and return on equity, or ROE, businesses can optimize financial performance and make strategic decisions that enhance profitability. In the technology industry, business analysis plays a crucial role in navigating the fast-paced and competitive environment. One of the primary areas of focus is product lifecycle management. Monitoring a product's journey from development through market maturity to decline ensures timely updates and innovations that meet market demands. Another significant focus is on innovation metrics. Evaluating the return on R&D investment, monitoring patent filings, and assessing the success rates of new products are essential for maintaining a competitive edge. These metrics help businesses determine the effectiveness of their innovation efforts and guide future investments. Additionally, market positioning is critical. Analyzing market share, understanding competitors, and identifying disruption opportunities are key to strategically positioning products and services and capitalize on emerging trends. Let's consider an example of a tech company planning to launch a new smartphone. The business analysts ensure the product lifecycle aligns with market trends. They evaluate R&D returns and patent filings to measure innovation. They analyze market share and competitor offerings, identifying a market gap for a budget-friendly model with premium features. In the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, business analysis is integral to navigating stringent regulations and evolving patient needs. Regulatory compliance is a critical focus. Companies must ensure that their operations and products align with various regulations, including those set by the FDA, EMA, and HIPAA. This alignment is essential for maintaining legal standing and ensuring the safety and efficacy of treatments. Another key area of focus is cost efficiency. To optimize costs, cost structures must be analyzed, particularly in R&D, patient care, and the adoption of new technologies. This can improve financial performance while continuing to deliver high-quality care and innovative treatments. Patient outcomes are crucial for business analysis in this sector. Metrics such as patient satisfaction, treatment success rates, and healthcare accessibility are closely monitored to ensure that the services and products provided meet patients' needs and lead to better health outcomes. Finally, monitoring market trends is essential for staying competitive. Monitoring emerging healthcare technologies, advancements in pharmaceuticals, and shifts in patient needs helps companies anticipate market changes and adjust strategies to maintain a strong market position. For example, a healthcare company observing a rise in demand for mental health services might expand its offering to include virtual counseling and mental health apps, boosting its market presence and meeting new patient needs. In the education industry, business analysis is essential for optimizing the effectiveness and efficiency of educational institutions and programs. The primary focus is on student performance metrics. Analyzing graduation rates, student retention, and standardized test scores provides insights into the success of educational programs and the overall quality of education. These metrics help institutions identify areas for improvement and enhance student outcomes. Another important aspect is cost-benefit analysis. In both private institutions and EdTech investments, assessing the return on investment, or ROI, helps determine the financial viability and impact of various educational programs, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively to maximize educational outcomes and financial sustainability. Understanding market segmentation is also key in the education sector. By analyzing different segments such as K-12, higher education, and adult learning, institutions can tailor their offerings to meet specific needs. This targeted approach enables effective marketing and program development, ensuring the institution meets diverse student needs. Finally, regulatory compliance is crucial for ensuring that operations align with education laws, accreditation standards, and funding requirements for maintaining the institution's credibility and eligibility for government funding and other resources. Compliance also ensures that students receive a high-quality education that meets established standards. Let's recap what you learned in the video. The top 10 industries where business analysis plays a crucial role are financial services, technology, pharma and healthcare, education, media and entertainment, manufacturing, transportation, government, insurance, and retail.